Hello Lifevolution family, welcome to my channel. My name is Manuela, and if you like healthy, fresh, colourful food, then this channel is for you. I'll also be posting physiotherapy tips and giving you advice on mental health and well-being. I'll also post the odd product review here and there. So if that sounds great, stick around and I'll help you be the best version of you. Welcome to the video, guys and girls. Today we're going to cook a beef stir fry with lots of healthy vegetables. So first we have our ingredients. I very rarely measure my ingredients, but I'll leave the list and the measurements for the ingredients in the bio. So for this recipe I used peppers, onions, mushrooms and bean sprouts, but you can use any vegetables you like. Let's get as many phytonutrients in this meal. I also used rump steak, which I cut up in strips, and it was so tender, guys. It was really good, so I recommend using rump steak. Next we've got some garlic powder, some ginger, oyster sauce, and I use gluten-free soy sauce because I've been gluten-free for just over 6 months now, and you can also use coconut aminos, which works great. So I added all the ingredients to the steak strips, I mixed it and allowed it to marinate whilst preparing the noodles. Yes guys, I wear gloves because I don't like getting my nails dirty. For the noodles, I added boiling water for approximately 5 minutes to soften them, then added cold water to stop them cooking and getting mushy. So next I heated up my wok so it was really smoking, and I added some sesame oil. Then I added my onions, and the white parts are the spring onions, to start frying and adding flavour. So I recommend getting yourself a nice steel wok because it really does make a difference when you're trying to get that smoky caramelization on your food. I got mine from a local Thai shop. It was about £13 and honestly I haven't regretted it. It's been absolutely amazing. I got the wok utensil from Amazon. Again, not very expensive but highly recommended. Now once the onions have caramelized, we'll add our mixed vegetables, so peppers, mushrooms, everything that you've got into the pan, and then we're going to fry it off until it's slightly cooked, and then we'll move those vegetables to the side and get that pan ready to stir fry the beef. Get that beef into the pan, guys. I'm absolutely starving. Don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to taste this food. Now we want to fry the beef until all the water is dried out of the wok so that we have that nice caramelized fried flavour to the meat. Then next we're going to add our stir fry vegetables layer by layer, and again mix it so that we get the flavours through the vegetables and around the meat as well. So this is a great recipe if you live a very busy lifestyle. It's one of our favorites. We have it a few times a month, particularly during the week when we've got lots of work on, we're tired at the end of the day and you just can't be bothered to cook. This stops you eating unhealthy. Remember, there's always healthy choices and there are options that are very quick and delicious. Last but not least, we're going to add the rice noodles. Again, we're going to combine all the ingredients together. I'm getting really excited. I literally cannot wait to eat this. Then after I've added the rice noodles, we'll add some of that oyster sauce and then we're going to mix that all together. And guys, we are done. All we need to do is add a bit of garnish. So I added some spring onions and let's tuck in. If you liked watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below and let me know which videos you would like to see. Share this channel with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Remember to live purposefully and be the best version of yourself.